I had a question today about getting to the print grid lines quicker than going all the way into page setup. If you wanted to print with grid lines every time and you go File and Print and Page Setup and Sheet and grid lines, that's a long way to get there. What I'm going to recommend is maybe that you go to the page layout tab on the ribbon and there is a print option there. But let's make this even better. Right click on that print and add it to quick access. That gives you a checkbox. When you want to print grid lines, all you have to do is turn that on. Here I've got it on. Let's do sample and a print preview. There's your grid lines. Let's come back, turn it off, uncheck, and then print preview. No grid lines. Anywho, I hope you like that quick tip. Have a great day.